Franz Bernard E. Lastima, second year criminology student, and welcome to my short introduction blog for our subject, Project 9, the Contemporary World. First of all, what do I expect from this subject? Honestly, I hope to understand more clearly how our world works as one big community, and I want to learn how event changes and situations happening in other countries affect us Filipinos right here at home, especially when it comes to peace, order, and safety in our nation. I also look forward to gaining knowledge and lessons that will not just help me pass the subject, but will also be very useful for my criminology studies and prepare me well for my dream to serve our country and people someday. In my own simple words, the contemporary world is the world we are living in right now. It is a world where we are all connected to each other. No matter how far apart we are by distance, it means that no country stands alone. And whatever happens in our part of the globe will always have an effect on our other, including us here in the Philippines. One global issue that really catches my attention and is very important to me is public safety and peace and order. This matters so much to me because as a future law enforcer, my main goal is to help make our countries safe, peaceful, and free from harm for every family. I believe that understanding this issue better will help me know what to do and what to contribute properly when I start serving the public later on. And also, globalization has influenced me in so many good ways. It opened my eyes to see and understand different cultures, beliefs, and situations from all around the world. It taught me to be more open-minded, patient, kind, and respectful towards all kinds of people, no matter where they come from or who they are. They are values that I know are very important and needed when I will be working and serving different people in the future. It also reminds me that peace and safety is something everyone deserves, and it is our shared responsibility to protect it. That's all for my introduction. Thank you so much for taking my time to watch my vlog. I am really excited to learn and grow together with all of you this semester. God bless us. Thank you all. Thank you.
I just had to let you know you're